Updating your billing information on Vellum is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Log in. Before changing your settings, use the shrc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option in the main menu. Click on it to access your account details. Step 3. Select billing information. In the account settings menu, find and select the billing information section. This is where you can view and edit your payment details. Step 4. Update your information. Enter the new billing information you wish to update. Make sure to double check for accuracy to avoid any payment issues. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your billing information, look for the Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to ensure your changes are recorded. By following these steps, you can easily keep your billing information up to date on Vellum. Regularly checking your account settings can help prevent any disruptions in service.